Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. If you sell anything online, you are already paying for an assistant you have never spoken to. I found this out by accident. I was inside my Shopify dashboard, doing what I always do, squinting at numbers, trying to work out why one week looked different from another. And there in the corner was a little button I'd been ignoring for months, Sidekick. Here's what changed. Shopify's AI assistant used to sit behind the higher price plans. Now it's included free on every single plan. If you have a store, you have it today. So let me show you what I actually did with it. I opened it, and instead of clicking through 6 different reports, I just typed a sentence. Why were my sales lower this week than last week? In plain English. No filters, no date pickers, no learning which report lives where. And it answered me. It looked at my own store data and told me which product had slowed down and which day the drop happened. Then I asked it a second thing. Write a product description for this item in a warm, calm voice. It wrote a draft, not a perfect one, but a draft is so much easier to fix than a blank page. Here's what I want you to take from this. If you run a shop, you do not have to become a data person. You never did. The whole reason those dashboards felt heavy is that they asked you to speak their language. This one speaks yours. So start smaller than you think. 1 question a week, just one. What sold best last month? Which product gets looked at but not bought? You're not building some reporting habit. You're just asking your own store what it already knows. And the search piece matters too. Shopify's AI now helps shoppers find your things even when they type the wrong words. The misspelling, the vague description, the phrase that isn't quite what you called it. That's a sale you were quietly losing before. And if you don't have a store, this still tells you something. The expensive tools are becoming the free ones. The thing that cost extra last year is included this year, which means the gap between you and someone with a much bigger budget is getting smaller, not wider. You don't have to master any of it. 10 minutes of curiosity a week is already a real strategy. If you'd like a gentle place to start, my free AI starter kit is linked down below in the description. Plain English, no jargon, no panic. You're not behind, you're right on time. I'll see you next week.